Going out of state is like stepping onto a football field. You're nervous, you're excited, but at the same time, you're ready to take down everybody else. You get to miss 2 days of school, there's an ice cream social, you get to meet new people, and it's fun, exciting.
So basically, when I was going to join SkillsUSA, I thought it was like some side thing that I'm not going to put full forward. But this is my second year now, it's the best thing I've done. I made new friends, I've interacted with new people, and I've seen places that I don't even think I've probably seen in all my school years.
Hi, my name is Jocelyn Ortega and this is my first year being in SkillsUSA. SkillsUSA is a very beneficial club because not only does it help you grow your career passions, but it helps you find new ones. The reason why I like SkillsUSA so much is because the people in there are not only so kind, but they're just very helpful. They'll always ask you if you need something, and I just love being in SkillsUSA.
Hi, I'm Fiore, Vice President of SkillsUSA. The reason why you should join Skills is because there's a lot of people in it that you can be friends with and be involved in fun competitions where it can lead you to great success in your future.
In SkillsUSA, there are many contests you could participate in. There are skilled and technical contests such as criminal justice, culinary arts, and many more. There's also some leadership, occupationally related, and state-only contests. But remember, you don't have to have experience to do any contest. So come and check us out and see what skill you may have.
Hello, I'm Selena Saldana. I'm SkillsUSA 2020 President, and this is what SkillsUSA is about.